Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day. Welcome back to all these fun boss mood Morphe looks we've been doing. This is look number 5 and I chose to do smoky fall tones. I just really wanted to use this olive green in the palette and that orange together, and this is the pairing I come up with. I hope you guys enjoy this look as well. I think it's very beautiful and very appropriate for fall. So as always, we're priming our lids with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and of course we're using the Morphe Boss Mood eyeshadow palette. Definitely check this out, you guys. I can't say enough, it's so beautiful. So first shade up is called Play It Cool, and don't you just love the names? So I'm going to apply this in my crease area, but I am not going to take it up as high as I normally do. I'm applying that with a fluffy blending brush. Really just applying that messily into the crease, windshield wiper motions, just placing that shade, going over it a couple times just to build it up. And by no means, like, these shades are so pigmented, so don't get me wrong, when we're building them up, they're really pigmented and it takes time. So next up, we're taking Sparks Fly, which is a nice matte chocolate brown shade, and I'm applying that in the outer corner. Now I have a pencil brush here, and it's just from e.l.f. Very nice little brush for $1, you guys, and I'm hoping you can still find that. And I'm going to drag that a bit into the crease. Now here what I'm doing is literally just going against the edges of Sparks Fly and blending it into Play It Cool with the pencil brush and the fluffy brush, just going between both of them to really blend the shades together, and eventually they will become seamless. We will work on that more in a minute as well. As you see in my videos, I always go back and forth. So this shade is called Electric Energy, and I am taking that on a stiff flat shader brush, and I am patting and kind of dragging that onto the lid. You could apply this with your finger, that would work as well, but I just prefer doing the brush. And it's such a beautiful golden olive shade for the lid. Some of my favorite shades to use in fall. It's a golden olive. Next up, we're taking the Color Workshop Brow Highlighter, and I'm applying that to my brow bone. And of course, I'm blending it down with the crease shade there. Very beautiful transition. And honestly, if you wanted to just do a nude waterline or a white one, I think this would look good and leave the orange shadow out. It would look good still. So that was the Jordana 12-hour pencil for tightlining, and I am using the LaColors liquid eyeliner to do a quick little thin liner. This is the Maybelline matte auto eyeliner in olive, I believe, trusty olive or something like that. I can't remember for certain. And then the shade I'm applying to the lower lash line, not shown to the camera, was Fired Up from the same Boss Mood palette. Beautiful matte orange shade, and I'm loving that olive green eyeliner I found from Maybelline. It's so nice and it lasts so long in your waterline. Now this is a highlighter from AOA Studio, and I believe it's in Cream Puff, and I'm just applying that in my inner corner. So we're taking the Covergirl Supersizer mascara and doing 2 coats of that mascara. And our eyes are done. I think these eyes were so perfect for fall, and not so much super smoky, but still in the smoked out family. And I am wearing a Velvet Mousse Hard Candy Lip, and it's just a nude one. They don't have names on them, they're samples. And this is the Hard Candy Long Wear Setting Spray. I love this setting spray, and I'm applying that to set my makeup, fanning myself off, and we are done. So the makeup look is done. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll try it out for yourself. Don't forget to check the description box out for additional links and a product list. I love how this turned out. I think the lower lash line also would look really nice with a shimmery orange. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And stay tuned for more tutorials using the Morphe Boss Mood palette.